We're waiting here at Brent's school parking lot. We're going to pick him up, and then after, we're heading to Max's restaurant. It's finally open. We're going to have lunch there. Here's Alan. Say hi, honey.
Hi.
Yeah. Okay. Here's Max's restaurant. It's finally opened. Waiting, dami pa rin tao. We're about to buy Brent's booster car seat. We're just waiting for the new stock to come out. We're here at the Grand Avenue. again at Prestige. We are heading to Muji. Ooh, 50% off. Sale na 50%. Ewan ko lang kung saan. Ah, oh. Yan, malalaki siya. Okay. Uy, uy, uy. Huwag ganyan, Brent. No. Pick it up. Brent, pick it up. Come on, come on. Let's go. Oh, look, oh. So nice. Why I like it. Come on. Come on. Ooh, nice. Come on.
I can see it.
Wow. Hello, ice cream. We're here at Ikea. Come on. What we got from Max's restaurant? 2 pendant rolls, 2 ube rolls, and a box of caramel bar. What we got from Muji, 4 plastic drawers. The size is 55 by 44.5 by 18 centimeters. This is how it looks like. There. This retails for how much? 8,500 each. And this one is for Brent. Also, we got this from Muji. There. From Ikea, we have 2 fitted sheets. There. And 2 pillow and duvet cover sets. This is the first one, just the plain white. And this one. Okay. We also got 2 table lamps. We also got extensions and 4 light bulbs. Yeah. And we also got 2 50 by 80 centimeter pillows. There. One for me and one for Alan. We also got curtains. That's how it looks like. There. And lastly, shower curtains. Just a plain white. Just a plain white one. We got 2 1,000 grams meatballs. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I will just Cambular joke. I also got the gravy sauce for the meatballs. Cheese doodles for Brentley. Salted pretzels. These are for me. We also got these crackers and this sandwich cracker. There. We also got Brent a new car booster seat, and it's now installed in our car. For my outfit of today, I'm wearing this flannel shirt from Zara, oversized v-neck t-shirt also from Zara. My jeans is also from Zara. It is the one with rip on both knees. My shoes from Echo. The bag I'm currently using is my Chanel Le Boy in small. Accessories, watch, jewelry, my Philippe Chariol watch, bangles, and ring. My engagement ring and diamond earrings from Damas. There. It's a little sneak preview of our room. This is our new wardrobe, the bed and bedside tables, my new vanity slash dresser, glass cabinet. There's the other one, and I still have to paint this one. Still have to paint this either black or white. I still haven't decided yet. Yeah, our curtain, I need to change it. Yeah, we're missing 2 lamps. There's Brent. Say hi, Brent. Yeah, I'm going to film a room tour soon. Watch out for it. I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Thank you guys for watching.